Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive because we are using the automatic date, time and the time zone. So first of all we have to turn off all of those switchers right here, and then we can freely tap on date and choose the date from the calendar. Just mark the option and confirm it with OK. The same with the time, just tap on it and choose the time from the clock. It will be of course immediately applied. The same with the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here you can find the list of available regions from which you can choose. So find yours and then tap on it, choose another region, and it will be immediately applied. Another region, the time zone. Of course, the time will be affected by the time zone. And the time format, you can either use local default, which is the automatic option, or you can turn it off and manually decide. Now we've got the 12-hour format. If you'd like to have the 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher and it will be immediately applied. So this is the manual customization of date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.